Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be announcing the winner of the Tinyhawk Freestyle 2 giveaway. We have got 1,515 comments and 1.6k likes. Always good to see more likes than comments, but thank you to everybody who has entered this giveaway. So I'm going to copy the URL and paste it into this random YouTube comment picker. I'm going to untick filter duplicate users because I give my Patreoners more goes at winning. So it's just going to load the comments there. Okay, good luck to everybody. Okay, we have got a winner, Dead Laszlo. Good to see you're back to uploading more. Hope you're feeling better. I am feeling better, and congratulations to Dead Laszlo. Put your email address in the comments below and I will grab that and then delete the comment, and I will send you the information that you need to get your prize. Everybody congratulate Dead Laszlo for winning the Tinyhawk 2 freestyle, and once again thank you everybody so much for participating and liking the video. It will allow me to do more giveaways like this, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.